Hey guys, have a nice day, and I'm Praveen. So in this video we are going to see about the oxygen sensor which is used in medical ventilator. So we're gonna tear it down now, and we will see what's inside, and let's see how they make this oxygen sensor. So oxygen sensor function, as you know, oxygen sensor is mainly used in ventilators about the calculation of the amount of the oxygen. Okay, so let's begin with this one. And you can see a filter material, but it is like this kind of filter. So oxygen goes through it, and the sensor will sense how much oxygen is there. Okay, so here let's try to open. So I have a cutter with me, and let's try to open. Yes, it's coming. They're molding this one very strongly, and they use some super glue maybe. And then see how it is contaminated, because it is used over years, and it will be contaminated by the oxygen. Then clean first. See, full of contaminated. And how to open this one? I'm going to use the same method. See, from here you can see wires go through from here to here. Only two wires from here to here and here to here. Only two wires. So these three pins, maybe two pin is for input, and one is for signal. So maybe these two, 1 and 3 pins can be a positive or minus, and middle pin maybe with the sensor. So I don't know which type of sensor they are putting, but okay, it is coming. Yeah, yes, we Is it correctly? Here they are having some o-ring and a circuit board. Don't try to repair oxygen sensor, because we can't do um, the repairing. I mean, we can't do the proper repair in oxygen sensor. We just if you have any issue, you just replace it. That's it. Okay, so here they having a resistors and a capacitor, so full of resistors. Can't see the track itself because that much it is contaminated. So let's focus on this. Here also they're having some o-rings. This molding is like they used some CNC machines. That is why this mold is like this is a factory made. It is not a handmade. So you should be very careful when you're dealing this. So now it's out. What is this? And some o-ring here, and one diaphragm here. And what is this? Like a sand like material. I don't know what it is. Let's I know some sand like material, and here also one o-ring. So inside you can see the connections. I can see one needle, like on spring. I don't know, maybe spring, I guess, inside. And I don't know what is this material. If you have any idea about this material, you can comment it below so that I can learn something new maybe. So this connection is going through all the way here, and this connection all the way here. So these connections will be connected to this circuit board, and following that, diaphragm is there. So after that diaphragm, there's a o-ring, and after that o-ring, the circuit board and the diaphragm, then another o-ring, and they push it together. And let me see. Oh, it came. What it is? Oh, maybe it is like it is a sensor. So there's one, maybe like for a filter or something else. See, and what it is? So it is a filter. it's a filter, I guess. So this filters both side is connected to the wires through the circuit diagram, and maybe it is, yes, this is a sensor, oxygen sensor, I guess. Yes, because there is a wire you can see this one. So totally 3 pins, 1, 2 and this one 3. So this is a oxygen sensor. Let me straight it. Yeah, this is the oxygen sensor. Sorry, I put a hold when I tried to open these things and all things messed up, but I think this is the oxygen sensor. So this sensor is calculating how much amount we are giving as the input of it. So that's it for now, and hope you like this video, and if you have any questions, comment below. We'll do something else in the next video. See you soon.